pull a sheet off. The reason why this is happening in certain areas of the house, paint's literally just coming off in sheets, and you can see that there was no primer behind it at all. Even when you look at the back of it, you can see it's just paint over top of bare wood. Another reason this is happening is because they caulked underneath where the two pieces of siding overlap. And what that does when you caulk here is it traps the moisture inside the wall. If moisture finds its way inside, it stays inside, and it causes things like this, and it causes rot, and it causes all kinds of damage. You're not supposed to caulk under here because you're supposed to leave this open so the water can run out, therefore not trapping moisture behind your siding. You'll be able to see it really well. Now look, it just comes off in sheets, and you look underneath of it, it's just paint over top of wood directly, and that's a big part of why all the moisture got in there and is making the paint peel back the way it is.